So how do you turn off the automatic time zone on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new or first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So it all is managed inside of the settings, obviously, and below, when you scroll, you can find the general section, and part of this we can see there is the date and a time. So you can tap on it, and there are a few things. Like at first we have the 24-hour time, which only changes between, the 9 p.m. and 21 o'clock, for example. But then we have the set automatically for the time zone. And if it's enabled, then of course, auto time zone is turned on. So in our case, if we want to disable it, we uncheck it right now and choose the time zone manually. So you can click on it as such and look up, for example, London, right? Or whatever you want. And this is the time in the different location. That's how you can do this. And even if you are not happy with that, you can literally change the clock to whatever you want, which I'm not saying is useful, but that's how you can do it too. Me personally, if you ask me, I like to keep it set automatically because I find it to be working the best. But yeah, that's essentially how it works. That's how you can turn off the automatic time zone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later.